Large language models are notorious for pretending to know the answer even if they don't. This is when you run into something known in the world of LLMs and generative AI as hallucinations, where a model confidently presents a response as an expert when the reality is it's nothing close to the truth. And so, how do you actually deal with hallucinations when you are dealing with a model like Claude? And that's where you can learn another technique in prompt engineering to get the model to admit when it doesn't actually know something and not really make stuff up. And so here are some techniques where you can actually minimize hallucinations. You can have Claude say, I don't know if it doesn't know. And you can tell it to answer only if it is very confident in its response. Similar to our previous video, you can ask it to think step by step before answering and give it room to think. Another hot tip there is you can use thinking tags, where Claude is going to lay out its thinking before it gets to the answer. And then you can ask Claude to find relevant quotes from long documents and then answer using the quotes. So, what this does is it doesn't eliminate hallucinations, it minimizes the risk of hallucinations. And this is incredibly critical as we start to think about generating more and more accuracy in these large language models, because these models are inherently probabilistic in that they will not for sure know the answer, they'll give you the most likely answer, as opposed to deterministic responses, where an algorithm essentially is taking a series of steps and giving you the best possible response from what it knows. And so allowing Claude to admit uncertainty is going to help you get much more accurate responses.